Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about bulk SMS marketing software. Right now I will discuss about DRPU Bulk SMS marketing software. This software through you can worldwide messaging marketing. Okay. Right now this software I will do license. So please check now. Right. So first of all, copy the code. You send me on my WhatsApp. Okay. Then I will do registration the software. Right now I will open my Keygen file. So here the file, I will write the license name, and before you was send me the hardware ID. So hardware ID through I will do license my client. Okay. So today I will do live share. How can I license create? Okay. So here the expiry date. I am right now 5 years license date, and generate the key and copy the key, and I'll go here, and right now I'll name this and key here, paste, and active now. Okay. So this software, how can you use? Today I will discuss about the guideline. Okay. First of all, you can do, I recommended modem you can use. Okay. So how can you use this modem? You can send message any country, from any country. First of all, you should buy SIM card message bundle. Then you can run your bulk SMS marketing. Okay. Okay. Right now I connected my SIM card on my modem. Okay. So I am now connected. So then I will open my software. Okay, I'll open my software. Yes, and you should click this option, GSM technology. Okay, so I know this option you should click. Okay, when you click this option, automatically you will your port number will be get. So here the problem face. So how can I solve the issue? So first of all, you should go the option and connected here. Okay, and connected here, and also SMS option click, and here the option I am test again, and you can understand your problem solve. How can you solve this issue? And here the option high suppose, and send. Okay, I am testing now, and minimize this. Okay, minimize this. Then again I will go, and first of all click the option, and here the option click. Okay, and next option. Okay, right now we will see your connection. Okay, so when you connected this, and you should click this option. Okay, and also click the option when you run. So then right now I will test my message. Okay, I'll test my message, and I will show you my screenshot. DRPU test message, and right now you will see the time, and I will share my time, which time I was received the message, and here the time, and I am now send. Sorry, and now add option, and now I'm sending. Okay, then you can understand my message is successfully sent or not sent. Okay, so right now you will see my message is sending done, and I have also received my message from the software, so successfully done. So if you need the software, please contact me on WhatsApp or check my website www.marketingsoft.com. Thank you.